If looks could kill, if looks could kill, one glance, long stare, easy on the eyes, moving slowly like shadows in the night. There will be a reckoning, there will be a day. Something out your darkest dreams. The time has come. There will be a reckoning. There will be a wrath. Something like you've never seen. The time has come. If looks could kill, if looks could kill, looks could kill, it'd be all such a thrill. If looks could kill, you'd be dead right now. If looks could kill, wanted daily, something of desire, needed.
Happy birthday, Patty S. And ayun lang, since 18 ka naman na and you're going in college, good luck sa magiging journey mo and ayun, andito lang ako lagi every time
All
you
it takes is just a stare to make you come undone. I'm slowly gonna do you in. Your time has come. If looks could kill, if looks could kill, if looks could kill, it'd be all such a thrill. If looks could kill, you'd be dead right now.
Ayan, Ate Fatima, ito na yung pinakaintay natin na araw. Since January naiyak tuloy ako. Since January pinaghahandaan ko na to. Even na nasa ibang bansa ako, talagang on hand ako dito sa dibo niya.
Happy birthday, Pati! Ngayong 18 ka na. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad mo. Andito lang kami sa iyo, sa likod mo, ng mama mo, kapatid mo, para suportahan ka. And mahal na mahal ka namin.
Mag-aaral kang mabuti. Nandito lang kami ni Papa. Laging nakasuporta sa'yo. At saka, sana matupad mo yung mga goals mo, anak. Maging mabait na mamamayan ka. 18 years old, you are already a lady. So, pag na tayo masyadong maging clumsy, yun. Ayan. Basta enjoy na lang natin tong araw natin na to, anak. Happy birthday!
and yun lang, happy birthday and salamat sa buhay mo kasi binigay ka sa amin ni Lord as blessing. Nandito tayo na blessing kasi lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na grateful ako na nagkaroon ako ng student and kaibigan na mas matured sa akin sa ibang bagay. Wish ko lang sa'yo, mag-aral mo mabuti, alam mo naman yung mga sakripisyo ng mama mo, malayo siya, papa mo laging nasa labas. Yung pagmamahal namin lagi nasa iyo lang. Magpakabait, mas lalong magpakabait, at lalong mas masipag ate. Ang ganda-ganda mo.